time. Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright.
Hello guys, welcome back to being Mrs. Frasure, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, come along and join my YouTube family. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you for clicking on today's video. We are just doing a full reset today on the whole house. Basically, nothing too deep clean or anything like that. I just want to get things just kind of set back and cleaned up and tidied up for the weekend.
You don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be.
So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and load up this dishwasher, or well, finish getting it loaded and get it started so that way it can run while we're doing everything else in the house.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better.
So I know most often, if you guys are not new here, you guys know that I usually start in the bedroom with making the bed, but today I wanted to just kind of get everything cleaned up off the counter, out of the sink, get the sink cleaned up. That way I can make my morning coffee, and then I moved on to the bedroom. You'll see that here in a second, but we want to go ahead and get these last couple dishes hand washed before we clean out the sink. And yes, I just like to use some regular old Dawn dish soap to scrub out the sink with. If it works for your dishes, it works for your sink, in my opinion. I don't like using anything special. Soap is soap to me, so it works great. And then I also like to put just a little bit of cinnamon essential oil down the drain, just to kind of prevent any like silverfish or anything like that, but also it helps make the drain smell really good.
I just wanna love you, babe. You got me around your finger. You got me in a twisted state of life, but I refuse to see it. Yeah, you can turn me up.
So I do like to mix up my coffees a little bit. I know you guys have seen me use my Nespresso here, but I also really enjoy the Jobby Coffee concentrate and actually the protein. I actually really like drinking the protein coffee like early afternoon. Not only does it help me feel full, so that way I can make it to dinner time, but it also gives me that extra little kick in the booty to get everything else done that I need to get done.
We were made to fall in love. Give me what I ask, let me hold your hand. Baby, you just have to know. You got me around your finger. You got me in a twisted state of life, but I refuse to see it. Yeah, you can turn me upside down.
Now that the coffee is done being made and I can enjoy it, I'm gonna go ahead and first get this bed stripped. I like to wash our sheets about once a week and change out the bedding. Usually I will, or you'll see in my other videos as well, that I usually strip it, wash everything, and then make the bed with the clean linens. But today I decided to go ahead, strip it down, and then just change out the sheets and then wash it after the bed is already made with some fresh sheets.
Again, give it to me, give it to me, yeah. Yeah, you can turn me upside down, turn my heart inside out.
I know it may sound crazy, but I like to buy new sheets about every year or so, and I'm curious where you guys buy your sheets at. I used to get them at JCPenney's. JCPenney's discontinued the kind that I liked, so I moved to Kohl's, and Kohl's no longer sells the kind that I liked from there. So where are y'all buying your sheets? Are you getting them off Amazon? I have ordered some off Amazon. I ended up returning them and never using them because I haven't decided on the bedroom decor situation yet. So I did return those, but I don't know. I don't know on the quality, if they're good or not. Y'all have to let me know down in the comments what you guys think about sheets. Where are you buying them? I like just a simple, affordable, but nice sheet. Nothing too thin, but also I don't like the soft, thick sheets either. We live in Florida, so they need to stay cool.
Heard a whisper, someone saw you at the bar. Was it the same night you had trouble with your car? It's getting old, I've heard your stories told 1,000 times. Baby, you are using the same old lines. I'll leave it all behind. I wasted too much time, I've been blind, 'cause there's no fix.
And I do not know what is up with this blanket. My stepmom actually got it for us. She worked at Bed Bath & Beyond, which y'all know is closing, so I can't even go there. But anyway, what I'm referring to is the blanket. That's where it came from, and for whatever reason, it just does not fit a king-size bed very well, even though it's made for a king-size bed. So the sheets kind of stick out of the edge, but you know, it is what it is because the comforter covers it up. It just makes it a little difficult at night because it's not as wide of a blanket, and it doesn't matter which way I turn it. It just, it does that. It's just too short.
Here I can see a different me. I'll leave it all behind. I wasted too much time, I've been blind, 'cause there's no fixing what's been broken.
So I know that I have been promising a bedroom makeover, and you guys, I'm on the struggle bus with it. I can't find a rug that I love, and if I'm going to spend that much on a rug, I have to love it, for one. For two, I'm trying to decide if I want to go as dark as I originally wanted in the bedroom. By dark, I mean, I was gonna... Okay. Spoiler alert. I was going to do an accent ceiling and do some like faux tiles, but I wanted them either black or copper, more of like a copper preferably, which would really darken the room, but I thought it would look really just moody and I don't know, kind of sexy, I guess, for the bedroom. Can I say that word? Is that okay? Don't clutch your pearls or anything. But anyway, I don't know. Now I'm like stuck on what to do. I don't know what I want to do. Do I want to keep it light and bright? It's a bedroom. I like kind of the moody look, but I don't know what to do. What do you guys think? Should I keep it light and bright? I know it's Florida, so light and bright is always nice, but sometimes I just want to change it up. But I don't know. I'm kind of stuck. So eventually you guys will get a bedroom makeover. I just have to make all the decisions before I officially, you know, make the decision and, you know, just do it. So I just want to make sure that before I spend the money that it is what I want it to be. Y'all catch my drift, right? Because now I'm starting to ramble.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl.
And another thing, if you remember from the very beginning of us moving to Florida, we are really struggling with space. Or not necessarily space, but like where to put things. One of those things being the litter box. So yes, that was litter all over the floor. I don't know where to put it. We had it in our closet and I'm like, I don't really like it in our closet because I don't want our clothes to absorb the smell of the litter box, which it typically doesn't smell because I completely clean it out every single week. It gets scooped every single day. And now it's in our bedroom. It's doing better in our bedroom than it did in the closet, other than the litter mess all over the place.
Like a fairy, girl, when you look like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, it felt your breath. Then I knew the girl, I need you.
And since I was in the master bedroom, I decided that it was probably a good time to clean our bathroom as well. Now, this is just a simple to do. For those of you that are not new here, you guys know that I like to clean the shower while I am in the shower. It just makes life a lot easier for me. Sometimes I do have videos though where I do clean it for you guys, but this is just a day where I'm just doing the outside of the shower. I'm doing the toilet and the sink and the floors, getting it all just kind of cleaned up, dust free, hair free, because your girl sheds. I shed everywhere. So I just wanted to get all my hair picked up and yeah, just kind of doing a quick tidy up of the bathroom. So I am on the hunt for some different like antique vintage things. I'm really wanting to get a Coca-Cola or Dr. Pepper wooden crate and a couple maybe other things like blue mason jars, you know, and I don't know. I absolutely love like that vintage antique stuff for decor. And you guys, we had so many places to go back home in Nebraska to find these things. But down here in Florida, I'm really struggling. And I've looked online, I've looked on Facebook, I've messaged a couple people on things, but they just are not messaging me back. So I have just been on the hunt for some fun vintage antique thrift shops. So if you guys are in Central Florida, Central East Coast, or even like basically from like Jack's down to Melbourne, and inward towards like Orlando, anything like that, and you guys know of these antique stores, let me know, because I am on the hunt for things that I cannot find. Well, I can find them online, but nobody responds. And it's like, I'm trying to throw my money at you, but you're not like taking it. So I don't know what the deal is, but it's okay. But if you are in Florida, let your girl know, because I need help. I want to find these things because I have some ideas brewing for some summer decor ideas or inspiration for you guys, and I am so excited to film that, and I really wanted it out for Memorial Day, but it's just not going to happen. That's why you guys are going to watch this video on Sunday instead. Hopefully I can find some other stuff. and just get that video up for you guys, because I love putting out Americana decor. You know, we are American, obviously. We live in Florida, and I just love putting out our flag in red, white, and blue and all that for summer, since the 4th of July is coming up, and all that. So anyway, if you guys are in Florida, let your girl know where all these vintage antique stores are. Help me out. So as I was like setting up the couch, or like resetting the couch, fluffing the pillows, folding the blankets and that stuff, I was looking outside because you guys, it started raining again. It has rained every single day, pretty much all day long this entire week. And we need the rain so bad, but oh my goodness. I mean, at least I'm not having to water, like, you know, God's watering my plants for me instead of me having to pay to water my plants. So, you know, it's fine, but I need some sunshine in my life. I moved to the Sunshine State. I need some sunshine. I love sunshine. It just makes me so happy. And having rain in gloomy days, like, it just demotivates. Is that even a word? I don't know. You know what I mean, though? I lose motivation to do anything when it's gloomy outside. Are you guys like that? I mean, I think I had kind of that problem back in Nebraska because it would be so gloomy so much, especially like in the winter time. And I really don't want it to be like that here, but hopefully, I mean, the sun is on the forecast coming up soon. So, and we will be spending all weekend in the sun. So I cannot wait.
All I wanted was your love. It is time, and should we break it? 'Cause I'm not staying anymore. I've been waiting here before. It is not the first time. Thinking that you'll change this time. No, I don't need a heartbreak. I don't need to save you. 'Cause I gotta be you. 'Cause I gotta be you. No, I don't need a heartbreak. I don't need to change you. 'Cause I gotta be you. 'Cause I gotta be you.
Alrighty guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video until the very end. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, give the video a big thumbs up, share with your friends. That helps me out a ton. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and have a great Memorial Day weekend.
Thinking that you'll come